as you can see, I'm in the old game that we made in the last video, the Pong game, where the player can move the mouse and then the computer moves the other paddle. So now I'm gonna make it possible to win or lose. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna just do it super quickly. I'm going to so you need to type on one of the costumes, you type you lose, and then the other you can type you win, and then you can add exclamation mark at the end. Okay, so go to the boss sprite, grab an if else, grab an if then, so put it in the else, put it in there. So now we need to choose another sprite. I'm just gonna get the line. So let's put the line over there. And let's duplicate it. This will be the enemy line. Let's just name it to make it simpler. I'm gonna name this lose. And then I'm gonna name this line win. Win. So if touching win, put that there and then duplicate it. Then wait, if you're touching lose. Okay, so now what you need to do is gonna make two messages. Win, and then duplicate that, put it there, and then you can broadcast lose. Okay, after those two broadcasting, you need to stop all because you either win or lose. Why I use the broadcast and wait is because like you don't want to show it too quickly so it doesn't have time to receive the broadcast. So now actually I think I'm gonna make these white to make them easier to see. I'm gonna make them white, and same as this one as well. White, okay. So when green flag clicked, we want to originally hide, and then we want to make it a bit bigger because it's unclear now. Wait, how about 200? No, still not big enough. 250? Yeah, 250 is good. So now, when I receive lose, duplicate. When I receive win, then when I receive lose, we want to switch costume to costume 1. And then win, switch costume to costume 2. So put that there, and then don't forget to show. And then also you just gonna put a go to, so to make sure it's absolutely in the middle. So now let's try it. Gonna try to lose on purpose. Yay, it works! Remember to save. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, please remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye!